Hello everyone, as you can see, we have Zuckus. He is the last of our 3 bounty hunters that we were unboxing in a row here. We had IG-11 and then Forlom over there. And I invite you to watch those videos as well. Like I said in those other videos, I know that these have been around for a while, but I just haven't unboxed them, so I thought it'd be great. So thought I'd share those with you guys. So we're going to do that today. Unboxing Zuckus here. What we're going to do is look at the outside of the box, unbox them, go ahead and take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, come back, talk about some things that I learned, maybe some things that I liked or did not like about the figure. So let's go ahead and start off by taking a look at the outside of the box here. Obviously, we got Zuckus there. It does not have a big number on the back, so it must have been some special figure. And then on the back here, it says Zuckus, a Gand bounty hunter. Zuckus heeded the Empire's call for mercenaries to locate the Millennium Falcon and bring her fugitive crew to justice, receiving his orders on the bridge of Darth Vader Superstar Destroyer. All right, so as well as the other bounty hunters there, but we won't get into that right now. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox Zuckus here. And as we do on the channel, we'll go from the bottom. And I'll also leave a link in the description to an affiliate link on Amazon if I'm able to find it. These figures are somewhat available, and there was a 2-pack for both Zuckus and Forlom, so might be a link to that. And as you can see, I got this at GameStop. It was on clearance, so good for me. All right, let's see what we got here. It's an interesting blaster. Looking forward to taking a closer look at that. Well, this guy's... All right, I'm really looking forward to taking a look at him because he's interesting. We'll just say interesting. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get things cleaned up, and I'll be right. All right, so let's first go ahead and take a look at the blaster. The blaster seemed interesting to me. If we could focus, maybe. It does not want to focus. One more time. There we go. All right. So, yeah, it's definitely interesting. The down here kind of looks like a shotgun style blaster. Not sure exactly what all this is. It definitely looks interesting, though. Kind of cheap, except for you got a little bit of detail paint there. I don't know. I think it's interesting. That's how I'm going to leave this. It's interesting. I'm not going to say anything else about it, but interesting. All right. Anyways, so the main event here, we got Forlom. I'm sorry, Zuckus. Goodness gracious. All right. It looks like this is already starting to tear off there, so I'm going to be super careful, if you can see there. So not a whole lot of head movement. You can do left and right. Not a whole lot of up and down. Arms, you gotta be careful. That's a really interesting glove there. But anyways, the material, it is cloth. It's got an interesting texture to it. It's not super light. It's kind of heavy. Yeah. So we've got here, this is definitely a rubbery plastic. Arms do go all the way up. We are able to get a greater than 90 degrees there. That's super awesome. Good job on that. I guess it's because we don't really need to see what it looks like underneath there, and that's how they did that. So it is a double elbow. Body, able to get a little extra move. Then the legs, upper thigh like you would expect. And then we got the double knee. There we go. Super flexible knee. And then, yeah, so I guess as a bounty hunter, we're going to be able to put him in just about any position we possibly need. He is definitely shorter, if you can see, than some of the other figures in the line. As you can see, basically we did him in by height, so that's really interesting. I was not expecting to do that. But yeah, I mean, he looks interesting. I mean, I like the back too. Not sure, though. I mean, like I said, this is already starting to come off. I mean, I guess I wasn't exactly careful getting it out. I wasn't expecting it to be as fragile as it is. But those eyes, look at those eyes. Very interesting. I'm looking forward to putting him on the bounty hunter shelf. All right, so let's go ahead and take some pictures, and I'll be right back. All right, so I think that was a good look at Zuckus. Out of the 3 bounty hunters that I've unboxed recently, he's probably my least favorite. I mean, I think that's fair. I mean, I don't know. You're not really able to get him to hold on to the blaster very well. From what I could see, you know, his hands are kind of limited with those 2 or 3, I should say, fingers. You know, you've got IG-11 here. He's got lots of different movements that you can do. He's really unique. And then you've got Forlom, which, I mean, basically is a repurposed C-3PO, but is super cool. I don't know. I mean, this guy, I mean, Zuckus looks good. So, I mean, I think he'll look good on the shelf. As far as, you know, getting him to do anything that you really want him to do, I was having a lot of problems. Yeah, I mean, he's not bad. If you can get him at a good deal. I got him on sale. It was on clearance, and then it was half off of clearance. So I was happy with what I got him at, but I don't know, paying full price for him, I don't know if I'd be able to do it unless I was just trying to complete the set, which I know a lot of us are just completionists, and that's, you know, what I do. Anyways, so if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. With that, if you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do a lot of things on the channel that are Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related. In this case, we just finished a Bounty Hunter series, so definitely take a look at the other 2 videos to complete the set. But we also do other things like going to theme parks, unboxing. We've got subscription boxes, home automation, that sort of thing as well. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. But we do really focus on Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series. So with that, have a great day.